Morning guys, welcome back to the cave. Well, I got it done. I've been up at the crack of Sparrowfart this morning to stick some sealer on. I had a comment on, I can't remember if it was on Facebook or on YouTube now, from a guy called Larry, asking for a close-up because he said a lot of the stuff that he's seen before, close-up it just looks like blisters. Right then, here we go. There's a nice close-up. I hope you can see what I'm meaning by the water drops, because to me that looks like water drops. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get it onto the lathe. I was undecided on whether to leave this totally as it is and have it as a wall hanging, or turn it into a dish like I said I was going to, and I have decided to turn it into a dish. Can I just remind you on about the charity auction it's going to, and that's Make It Matter through Temple Boy Turnings. You can go on and register as a maker and put something up there for auction. Obviously that doesn't cost you any money. It's going to cost you a bit of time and a bit of work, but I don't think that's unreasonable. Or you can actually go on, if you'd like to own this piece, if you'd like to own any of the other pieces that's going up for auction, you can go on and register as a donator as well. Like I say, it's a very good cause, and I'm sure everything would be appreciated by the people involved. Right, I'll just set the camera up so we can get turning on the lathe, and then we'll give it a go. Right, so here we are, mounted on the lathe. The holes that the faceplate were on, sitting there, and there. Now I'm wanting to leave a fair bit of rim on this, so the dish I'm going to be making is just going to be just outside those holes. The screws don't go very deep, but I'm actually going to mark where I'm wanting the dish to start. I've got it running quite slow at the moment, just so I can make that mark. So as you can see, this is going to be quite a small dish with a really wide rim. That's fine by me. I'm also going to put another small line here, just to give a bit of added decoration. That's that done. And what I'm also going to do, I'm going to be sanding just around the edge of the back. Now the back's already finished. It's finished with Yorkshire Grit and Hampshire Sheen High Gloss. But with doing the spraying, that's shallow when I was doing the spraying. I've actually got some overspray on here. So I'll come back to that. I'll get that sanded off and get that finished. Right, so we'll get started. Now you can see that's running just a wee bit off. I'm going to see if I can alter that just a wee bit. No, I'm just going to leave it like that then. Right, that's running at just over 500, so I'm just going to start clearing that out. screw holes. You can still see them. Just to go down a wee bit deeper. I'm going to turn the speed up a wee bit. Still a wee bit of the screw holes there, just round this edge. Right, I think that'll do it. I'll just get that sanded. sanded to 240. And now I'm going to use some Yorkshire grit. No, I'm not. I'm going to put some sand and sealer on first. I've actually written, if you can see it, written on the top of the lid, sand and sealer. That's to remind me on to put the sand and sealer on, and I still nearly forgot. When I first started using Yorkshire grit, I got a bit of a row from Glyn Senior, who produces it, for always forgetting to put the sand and sealer on. So I'd try my damnedest to remember now. That rub in and a chance to dry. We'll just knock it back a bit. And now what we'll do is put on some Hampshire Sheen High Gloss. So there you go guys, that's the finished piece. I'll just adjust the camera again. So here we go, that's it. It is, get a close up there, it is purely a decorative piece, which is why the dish in the middle is that small. It is really just to highlight the effect of the water drops, which I think's turned out not too bad. I'll go and put get some photographs taken. I'll stick some photographs up at the end of the video, because I know some people, like I said yesterday, some people don't do Facebook, so they want to see some photographs actually at the end of the video, so I'll do that. I'll see if I can get a close-up of the water drops when I'm doing photographs, just to show you the finish. It's quite a good effect. It's fairly simple to do, so give it up. Just got a bird in the cave, probably not finding its way out now. Anyway, that's by the by. I'll put a link to Steve Trudell's website in the description. There's also a gallery now on his website, so you can actually look at some of the stuff that's going up for auction. It's not just wood turning, it's not just wood. It's from all different types of makers. I think there's actually some honey on there as well. I had a look at the gallery this morning. There's loads of different stuff on there. Steve's got his own thing on there. I don't know if you've heard of him, but Chris Fisher, the blind wood turner, he's put a ring holder on there using iridescent paints. So like I say, there's loads of different stuff going on. This is going on all throughout June, and then I think the first week in July the auction's going to be held, and hopefully raise loads of money for a very good cause. Hopefully I'll be back again next week with another video, so please like, please share. If you don't like what I've done, stick a thumbs down, but if you stick a thumbs down, give a reason behind it so I can maybe change what I'm doing. Nice speaking to you all again, and I'll see you